Have you ever had a planter with an old plant stuck in it and you just can't get that root ball out and you don't want to throw away your planter? Well, here's a hack. Literally have a dollar store saw, a little small saw that can't be more than about 14 inches long, I'm guessing. And so what I will do is I will take it, and I've already started cutting a little bit just to show you the demonstration of it. But, and honestly, it probably took me about 3 times to go around to do what I need to do. I just push it off into the pot and I start cutting in a circular motion and I go all the way around. Now I've done this about 3 times already. And when you're done, you may have to put your hand in there and separate just a little bit or not, just depending on how bad the root ball is. And now, boom, that's what you get. It comes right out. So that saves me a lot of time. And I hope this works for you. But tell me, how do you get out old root balls from pots easily for yourself?